Well, it's negative 11 degrees out. Let's see how bad of a cold start this will give. Ooh, looking like an igloo. Yeah, seems about right. Look at all that frost everywhere. Frozen solid. And she goes. I really have no idea how well you can hear it through here. Sorry guys, I don't have my other camera. I went to go get it and it's dead apparently. So I don't know what's up with its battery life lately. So that's why I haven't been getting a lot of shots with it. So